Dami strangers sa TikTok ko doon. Bakit? Okay naman ako. Hello, Kenny. Hi, Jacob. I love your hair. It looks so healthy. Thank you. Wait, OMG. Opinions on yes and. Double thumbs up. I love it. Napansin ko lang, her voice parang it's lighter. Hindi na siya yung makapal na boses na ginagamit niya. More on higher ang placement. Siguro. Base sa pagkakaano ko ha. Pagkarinig ko. Yung pinapakinggan ko yung boses niya. So, ano siya. Mas light. Mas narinig ko parents ko. Ano ba? Ngayon nga lang. Mami kasi. Nag-aircon tayo kasi. Lakas ng boses ni Mami eh. Nag-explain kasi yan siya. Ganyan siya nag-explain guys. Sorry. Anyway, thank you sa nagbigay ng mga ganito. It's a bop, yeah. Meron akong pimple dito. Tinanggal ko na yung makeup ko kaya iba yung mukha ko. Ganyan. Are you taking degree? No. Not yet. Your hair is getting long na ha. Haba. I mean, ang bilis. Maba. Is it Filipino food? I think it's Nova. Not sponsored. Whoa! Influencer! Nova. Eating Nova. Gusto niyo ba mag-stream ako ngayon? Would you grow your hair back to waist length or too much? That's my goal. Pero I'm getting older na rin, so maybe too much. Do you play COD M? No. Do you play again MLB? No, I'll play MLBB again pag lumabas na si Aurora. I got 60 on my Tagalog test. I thought taking Tagalog is easy, but it's not. Yeah, our language is very complicated. What do you think about Just M? It's a bop. Yun. It's a bop. It's a bop, guys. It's a bop. And if you find yourself in a dark situation, just turn on your light and be light. Yes. And on back. How would you describe your style? Like, the way ako manamit? I really miss Thank You Next Era. Best era. TUN. No, Sweetener. Then TUN. Then Position. Yours truly. My Everything. Did I say Dangerous naman? Yeah, Sweeter is the best era. Favorite album ever. Could you sing apart from Tattooed Heart? I forgot. Wait. As long as I believe that the jacket. Oh baby, you're back. Come kiss me. I'm alive. Please. Narinig niyo ba to? Narinig niyo ba to? Narinig niyo yan? Wait lang. Ibahin ko yung audio. Ano lang to? For fun lang. Kailan nakakaalam na to, ha?
It's not
Ilan nakakaalam na ito? Gawa-gawa lang to. Gawa-gawa lang to, okay? Huwag kayong alala. Next! Next! Sitonado yung ano dito. Maganda yung chorus na to. Pero gawa-gawa lang yan. Ano lang, top line lang ako. Nakita ko lang sa YouTube yung ano, yung beat. So, kinuha ko na lang gano'n. Just gumagawa lang ako. Ang ganda ng beat niya, as in. Like, ikaw yun? Opo, ako po yun. Bakit di po ba mukhang ako? Di ba ako yun? Pakinggan. Di ba ako yun? Parang ako naman, boses ko naman yun. Mga kaninang morning tune to ginawa. Hindi ko pa din ma-release yung mga ganito kasi hindi akin yung music. So, gagawa ako ng sarili kong music para sa akin. Ma-release ko. Favorite song from Dangerous Woman album? I forgot the right song. Right lang. Ay, wala pala dito yung ano niya. Hindi pala album niya yung Be My Baby. My favorite will be Alright. Be Alright. Ano pa ba yung mga nirecord ko na bago? Huh? Hindi ko pa wala pwede parinig sa inyo. Hindi ko pa pwede parinig ko inyo. Pero, siguro yung half lang siguro. Or yung intro.
And why can't I hate you?
Wala yun guys, wala yun. Hindi siya exist. Hindi siya nag-exist. Yes. No way. Paparinig ko sa inyo. No way. Mayroon pala akong ganito. So funny. Flat pa talaga yung whistle dito. Wait, ano nga ba? Ano nga ba yun? Asas, ito ba yun? Ito yun yun. Ay, oo nga, ito nga. Gusto niyo pa marinig ito? Tunado, wait lang. Kaya natin ang vocals. Hindi ito yun pala. Hindi pala ito yun. Hindi ito yun. MB. No! Ala! This one? Ito pala. Ito pala dapat ipaparinig ko sa inyo. Wrong.
Gotta get attention from you. I've got a lot of things for you. Everything should be perfect. Gotta get attention from you. I've got a lot of things for you. Everything should be perfect. I wanna take your time and just lie all night with you. Please don't miss a date tonight. Don't wanna wait till sunrise. I can tell it, baby. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I'm gonna wait tonight, baby. Gonna wait tonight. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I don't wanna be alone tonight. Gonna wait tonight.
Oh my God! Alam niyo, last year, ng June, ginawa ko to.
Gotta get attention from you. I've got a lot of things for you. Everything should be perfect. I wanna take your time and just lie all night with you. Please don't miss a date tonight.
Ate Casey Lynn. Ay. Hi, ate.
Don't wanna wait till sunrise. I can help it, baby. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I'm gonna wait tonight, oh baby. Gonna wait tonight. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I don't wanna be alone tonight. Gonna wait tonight.
No way. Miss you, ate. Kamusta dyan? Okay ba? Okay ba dyan? Okay naman dyan, di ba? Kailan kayo mag-perform ulit? Ate Casey,
I just wanna spend the night with you. At my entire wanna be with you, but you, everything should be. I can tell it, baby. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I'm gonna wait tonight, baby. Gonna wait tonight. I just wanna cuddle with you tonight. Gonna wait tonight. I just wanna spend the high. Everything I do for me with my mind. I've been waiting for this all my life. I'm never gonna leave your side, 'cause I'm waiting for you to be loving me tonight. Gonna wait tonight. I'm gonna wait tonight, baby. Gonna wait tonight. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I don't wanna be alone.
no. No. That was, no. Wag lang.
I try to be patient.
Oh.
I'm tired of waiting. I'm tired of waiting. I try to be patient. Patiently waiting.
No. Bakit ito yun?
Understand what is hurting. Just stop pretending that you don't know the feeling of someone who's
No. No.
unconsciously there. So hold on to a love that's right and reason to stay. I wanna go away.
Oh, no.
I can't bear this pain in love. I didn't love you from the start. I didn't know it would be this hard. I'm tired.
Ay, iba pala yung ano, ang fright, ang... Oh my God!
I didn't know it would be this hard. I'm tired of waiting for you. waiting for you. Time and I have no reason to stay. I wanna go away. I can't bear this pain in love. I didn't love you from the start. I didn't know it would be this hard.
Ang ganda ng layering. Pero, no. No, ang cringe, ang cringe. Ang ganda nitong backup vocals. Oh my God. Beautiful.
Wanna go away.
Stay in love.
Emotions so and time to hold on to some. I'm tired of waiting, gotta be patient, waiting for someone. I try to move on, but I keep holding on, and I think it's just wrong to keep it in that cannot be. I have no reason to stay. I wanna go away.
Alam mo, maganda siya. Maganda siya. Ha? Maganda siya. Pero, yung lyrics, ano yung nakalagay? Ano yung nakasabi?
I wanna go away. I can't bear this pain in love.
Can't bear this pain in love. Ano, may pinagdadaanan ba ako? Nung June? Ano ba pinagdaanan ko nung June?
I didn't love you from the start. I didn't know it would be this hard. I'm tired of waiting.
Look! Nakalagay dito ano yun?
And
I have no reason to stay. I wanna go away. I can't bear this pain in love. Why did I love you from the start? I didn't know it would be this hard. I'm tired of waiting for you to love me back. Hindi siya nag-make sense.
Won't be this hard. I'm tired of waiting for you to love me back.
No way. Amo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit pumasok sa akin yung mga ganong idea. Bigla lang siyang sumulpot sa utak ko. Ganon. Like, make something. Ayun. Ito nagawa ko. And it's not good.
Stop pretending that you don't know the feeling.
Yan yung lumabas sa, yan yung result ng lumabas sa utak ko na make something. Ayun. Pero maganda siya, okay. Skip natin to. Pakinggan niyo ha. Paparinig ko sa inyo from here to chorus.
I try to be patient, patiently waiting for someone who will be mine. Unobtainable. I try to move on, but I keep holding on, and I think it's just wrong to keep this love for so long. And it's hard to hold on to something that cannot be held for long.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yun yung first. Hi, Franz. Yun yung first na na verse to chorus. Ang pangit. Hindi siya hindi siya nagko-connect. Doesn't make any sense. So, scrap ang scrap. Like, alis, out. Ito naman isa. I don't know. This is ugly.
Hey, Gabe, you got bands now?
No?
Gotta get attention from
Ito una kong ginawa pala.
you. I've been better things for you. Everything should be perfect. I wanna take your time and spend all night with you. Please don't miss a date tonight. Don't wanna wait till sunrise. I can tell it, baby. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I'm gonna wait tonight, baby.
Ito, na-impress ako dito sa mga ginawa ko. Pero pangit siya. Pangit.
Gotta wait tonight. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gotta wait tonight. I don't wanna be alone tonight. Gotta wait tonight.
Wait tonight for what? Para mag-cuddle, ganon. Oh my God.
Attention for you, for you. Spend it all night with you. Don't miss a date tonight. Tonight, yeah, I'm gonna wait tonight, baby. Gonna wait tonight. Gonna wait tonight. I don't wanna be alone tonight.
Woo!
Wanna spend the night with you. Am I a tidal wave?
Oh my God, I hate this. Alam mo ba? Alam ko na yung reason ko bakit ko sinulat yan. Kasi, basta may nagustuhan ata ako dun na person. Tapos, na-inspire ako sa kanya. Na-inspire ako dun sa feeling na yon. Tapos parang, like, I feel so lonely. Like, cuddles. Ganun lang. Yun yung nangyari. Kaya, tapos pumasok na naman sa isip ko na make something. Ayun. Ito yung lumabas. Ito yung result. Na 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 na. Oh, dapat na-record ko yun. Na 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 na. Oh my God. That's cringe.
I don't wanna get
Ito yung favorite part ko siguro.
you. I don't wanna get higher. Everything you do for me makes me higher. Every time I think of you, I die. It makes me sigh.
Ito na part. Ito na part.
My mind. Never gonna waste this time of mine. I've been ready for this all my life. I'm never gonna leave your side. Cause I'm waiting for you to make love me tonight.
Ay, sorry. Kinilig ako dun sa part na yun. Doon lang ako kinilig.
Right. Never gonna waste this time of mine. I've been waiting for this all my life. I'm never gonna leave your side, cause I'm waiting for you to make love with me tonight.
Because I waited for you. No. I-revise ko yung lyrics na yun. Ang cringe. Ang cringe. Ang cringe. Like, lahat dito. Very, very, ganon.
Gonna wait tonight. I'm gonna wait tonight, baby. Gonna wait tonight. I just want
Pero na-amazing talaga ako dito sa ginawa ko itong mga harmony. Sorry ha. Itin ko lang.
from you. I've been better than the things for you. Everything should be perfect. I wanna take your time and spend it all night with you. Please don't miss a date tonight. Don't wanna wait till sunlight. I can tell it, baby. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I'm gonna wait tonight, baby. Gonna wait tonight. I just wanna cuddle with you. Gonna wait tonight. I don't wanna be alone tonight. Gonna wait tonight. I just wanna spend the night with you.
I don't wanna get high, but everything you do for me makes me high.
I don't wanna get high, but everything you do for me makes me high. And every time I think of you, I die. And it makes me sigh, cause it always
Ang cringe.
is in my mind. Never gonna waste this time of mine. I've been waiting for this all my life. I'm never gonna leave your side, cause I'm waiting for you to make love with me tonight. Gonna wait tonight.
Yun ang talaga favorite part ko. The rest wala na. Ano siya sa akin? Meh, ganon. Ano pa bang ginawa ko? Oh my God, nasakit sa ano to? Yung Christmas in Our Hearts. Let's sing Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. Hindi maganda yung lyrics nun. Hindi maganda lyrics nun. Please, hindi maganda lyrics nun. Hindi maganda lyrics nun. Ano kasi yun, yung story. Wow, may story siya. Alam mo, kung pinayso ko talaga yun, okay sana. Inspired kay Ariana yung yung music. Tapos, pero pala, kaka-18 lang nung 2023. Like, recent lang ako nag-18 nung 2022, diba? Tapos, 2023 ng June. Like, parang hindi pa siya possible. So, hindi ko siya pinursue. Like, scrapped. Ganon. Wala na. Tinanggal ko na yan sa listahan ko. Yun. Yung, masyadong, kasi siya, masyado siyang mature. Masyado siyang mature sa song. Yung song na yun. Didn't you say you were gonna write a poem? No, I forgot. I forgot. Yeah. I can hear Ariana, that song, the style. Yeah, oo. Yeah. Inspired siya dun sa niya. Down like 6:30, yeah. What you gonna do when I'm bored and I wanna play video games? Na. Yun na lyrics na yun. Yun na particular na lang. Yung lyrics na yun. Part na yun. Doon ako na-inspire mag-write ng song. Doon lang sa line na yun. Down like 6:30, yeah. What you gonna do when I'm bored and I wanna play video games at 2 a.m.? What if I need a friend? Na. Am I enough? Still have a crush. Are you down? Yan na part. Tapos, dun sa ginawa ko, yung ginawa ko dito, yung lyrics dito is, gonna wait tonight. I'm gonna wait tonight. Diba? Tapos, after ng gonna wait tonight. Tapos, may nakalagay na, I just wanna cuddle with you. Like, kasi yung sa song ni Ariana, iba kasi yung tukoy niya doon. So, dito tayo sa ginagawa ng mga magjowa pala. Sa Pilipinas. Cuddles. Siguro. Ayun, pero yung instrumental nun, kinuha ko lang siya sa YouTube. Kasi, parang, ano lang, na-bored kasi talaga ako nun, tapos pumasok lang din siya sa isip ko na, like, make something. So, ito yung result. And, nakalagay pa nga dito sa lyrics dito, gotta get attention from you. I prepared a lot of things for you. Everything should be perfect. I wanna take your time and I'll spend it all night with you. Like, ang Tagalog translation is like parang kunin ko yung time mo kasi parang busy ata siya, ganon. Pero di talaga para sa akin yung song na yun. Like, dapat iba yung kakanta nito kasi mas maganda siya pag iba yung kakanta kaysa sa akin, kaysa ako. Diba? Pero yung approach doon is, ayun nga, cuddles. Tapos, yung second verse, hindi ko alam anong isa second verse ko dito kasi feel ko complete na yung yung lyrics. Pero, hindi pa pala. Like, yung story talaga nito is, like, gusto ko kunin yung attention mo. Or like, parang, tama ba? Ay, parang ganun, gotta get attention from you. Yun pala. Like, like, gusto ko ng cuddles. Tapos, sa ending na part is, ayan na, magka-cuddles na kami, magka-cuddle na kami, ganito, magkasama na kami, ganito. Ganyan. So, ang lyrics dito is, I don't wanna get high. Everything you do for me makes me high. Every time I think of you, I die. Tapos, mayroong cringe na part na, it makes me sigh. Kaya may, ganon. Cause you're always in my mind. Tapos, after nun, never gonna waste this time of mine. I've been waiting for this all my life. I'm never gonna leave your side. Tapos, hindi nag-make sense yung last part, like, because I'm waiting for you to make love with me tonight. Ang dapat dyan is parang, hindi kayo waste yung time because I waited long enough, ganon. And ayoko lang alam mo yun, masayang yung time na yun. Cute lang yung song, seems so you. How'd you get such long lashes? What do you mean? Hindi siya long. They're kind of bummed though. Kinda. That's why I scrapped the song. Because it's kinda bummed. So, Taylor Swift inspired song, wala pa. Meron, pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan na siya ngayon. 2020, 2021, 2022. Yeah, wala dito. Ay, wait. Baka naman dito sa hard drive. Matagal na akong gumagawa ng mga lyrics. Pero, hindi ko siya talaga pinopursue yung mga ganyan. Yung mga songwriting. Kasi, wala akong peace of mind. Wow! Like, hindi siya, wala pa siya sa akin. Kailangan ko pang i-train yung sarili ko about dyan. Wait lang. ang kalat ng table ko. Anyway, never gonna waste this time of mine. I've been waiting for this all my life. Hindi ko naman siya ni-release eh, so okay lang. At huwag nyo i-release yan. Makakabayad tayo ng malaki pag nirelease niya yan sa YouTube, sa Facebook, or kahit saan. Kaya, huwag niyo niyang
waiting, I'm out of the thought. Just ain't you, baby. Just before I go, there's something you should know. And boy, I
fantasize about it, all the
fantasize about it all the time. You are mine.
Imagine, we got up to be on just place it's good in like you are. Pwede naman. Meron na lang akong 2 minutes remaining. May time limit na pala yung live. Oh, so 1 hour maximum lang yung live ko. Anyway, meron pa akong 1 minute.
A few weeks ago, I saw your front row, and my heart stopped at the sight. Thought you were so low, but you got a girl though, and my life ain't been the same.
Buong-buo yung boses ko dito ah. Like parang, hindi siya before na parang strain. Parang hirap na hirap.
Been feeling they just ain't you, baby. To be just before I go, there's something you should know. I'm feeling some type of way.
Hindi ko pa siya na-record pala dito na part.
Stop pretending, 'cause I won't wait.
30 seconds na lang. I mean, 20 seconds pala. Gusto niyo pa mag-live ako sa TikTok? Para mas mahaba. Ganun lang ako sa TikTok mag-live. Mas maganda. Though, magkakaroon lang ng ano. 4, 3, 2,